Hey, what's up? It's Mark with Underbrusher Power Wash, and today we're going to show you how to take out this O-ring in a quick coupler. You get these tools from a dollar store, no big deal, pretty quick. Going to go down the side there. You can either pull it out just like that. Take your, I use the heat-treated ones. The black ones are they don't last that long. The brown ones are the heat-treated ones. They're the best. Just push that back down in there. It's kind of hard to see, but you can use the end of this tool. Make sure you get it in that groove. And I don't know if you can see it, but that's how simple that is. There you go. Y'all have a good one. Hope that helps you out.